Installation tab. The first option on this tab is New SQL Server Standalone Installation or Add Features to an Existing Installation. Let's click this. So there are three options on the drop-down list. The first one is Evaluation, which is paid edition with 180 days or 6 months trial. Then there is Developer and Express editions. We are interested in the Developer edition. So click Developer and click Next. The next screen is regarding license agreement. It is a standard practice to agree to all terms and conditions by checking the box. Click this and click Next. Check the updates. So yeah, recommended, and click Next. Everything is fine on this page apart from Windows firewall warning, this one. Don't worry about it and click Next. This screen is regarding Azure extension for SQL Server. As we are not connecting our SQL Server to cloud, this is irrelevant for us. Simply uncheck Azure extension for SQL Server and click Next. It brings us to Feature Selection tab. Only option we need to check is Database Engine Services. If you remember, I mentioned additional services called SSAS, SSRS, and SSIS. Two of them are listed here. Either we can select these now, or we can leave for now and can install these later on. The choice is yours. We need Database Engine Services anyway. Let's choose to install SSIS and SSAS by clicking these options. Click the Database Engine Services, then Analysis Services, and Integration Services. If you want to learn more about SSIS, SSRS, and SSAS, please visit my YouTube channel. Reporting services can be downloaded separately by clicking this link. When we click this link, it will take us to a web page where we can download reporting services. Another important thing to consider is the installation location. The default location for any installation is the C drive on your machine, but you can change to a different drive if you wish to. We can simply click Next and wait for the next screen. Would take us to the Instance Configuration tab. You can choose either default instance or named instance. If it is first installation, you can choose default instance. But if you have already installed SQL Server on your machine, then you will have to select named instance and give it a meaningful name. So because this is our first installation, we are leaving default instance and click Next. The next tab or screen will be server configuration. Let's wait for it. We don't need to do anything here and simply click Next.